The court is back in session in cause number 321328. Case is filed, State of Texas versus Sarah Ann Sales. Sarah Ann Sales previously was sworn in. Mr. Kimball, are you waiving a record in Ms. Sales' case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now Ms. Sales, I have before me first amended motion to revoke your probation. In this motion, it alleges that you, Sarah Ann Sales, on the 10th day of July of 2019, was found guilty for the misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated, and your punishment was assessed at 90 days jail or confinement in the Jefferson County Jail and a fine of $750. The confinement portion was probated for a period of 1 year. The state on May 7 of 2021 filed a motion to revoke your probation. In this motion, there are 8 allegations. State, are you abandoning allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8?
We are, Your Honor.
And Ms. Sales, the state is abandoning allegations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. They will only be proceeding on allegation number 7. Allegation number 7 states that you, Sarah Ann Sales, failed to perform the community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 18 of your probation order. Is that true or not true? It's true? Now, Ms. Sales, are you pleading true to allegation 7 freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading true to allegation number 7 because it is true?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Sales, I also have before me a document that is labeled as State Exhibit number 1 and it's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. On page 1 of this document, it has one box that's checked, and that box is MTRP, which means or stands for motion to revoke probation. On page 2 of this same document, there is a box checked at the bottom of this document that states MTRP, true to allegation 7, and there are a set of initials, SS. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
And on page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes.
I have another document before me that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And at the bottom of this document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes.
And there are 2 boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And the second box states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Ms. Sales, prior to signing and initialing these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Kimmler, go over these documents with you? Did your attorney, Mr. Kimmler, go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer State's 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
Okay, no objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Kimball, you advised and counsel Ms. Sales. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
I believe her to be mentally competent, Your Honor, for legal purposes.
Ms. Sales, your attorney, Mr. Kimball, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Ms. Sales, I will accept your plea guilt. I mean, your plea of true to allegation number 7, and I will also find that you are mentally competent to stand trial, and I will also find that your plea of true and waivers were freely and voluntarily given, and I will also find that the evidence is sufficient to revoke your probation, and your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It is for 30 days, time served with court costs, tax, and retired.
That's correct.
Ms. Sales, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you have already served 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for time served. And Ms. Sales, the court cost in this case is $237, but you will not have to pay that $237 because the time that you spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court cost will be taxed and retired. Ms. Sales, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Ms. Sales, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Sales, this will conclude your case. Please follow the bailiff. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, follow the bailiff. You're free to go.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I will.
Thank you. Who do you want? Who do you need next?
Okay, the next person is LeBlanc.
Who do you need next, Your Honor? I'll get them in here. Ms. Peraza or Langston, or who do you need?
It's Mr. Adams.
Adams, okay.
Who you want next?
Hold on a minute. Holly LeBlanc.
Holly LeBlanc.
Holly LeBlanc. They're ready for you. Okay.
See by